How does the stock market work? Imagine this. You are the owner of a small factory whose business is growing at a constant rate year on year. You know that this business has a great opportunity to expand nationally and globally, but it requires a hell lot of money to expand. Till now, the growth was mainly achieved by reinvesting your own profits. So what do? You take money from the public to grow your own business. This same need was faced by the Dutch East India Company in the year 1602, which raised money from the public and issued its shares on the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. It became the first publicly traded company in the world. This is what the stock market facilitates. Now, to understand how the stock market works, and how prices are decided, you have first to understand what is share/stock. So, what is a stock? Stocks in a company provide you a share of the company's future profits in return for the capital invested. For instance, if you buy one stock of Apple now, you will be assured 1/1,000,000th of Apple's profits in the future. Now, the next question is, how are these shares traded? In a stock market, thousands of companies are listed, and these public companies pay a fee to the exchanges, along with a promise to provide all important info to the markets. In return, they get an opportunity to put their company on the stock market and have the ability to get money from people visiting the market. The first time a company's stock appears on the stock market's board is called an IPO, initial public offer. Who are brokers? Conceptually, a stock exchange is similar to eBay. These guys allow companies to be listed and connect the buyers and sellers. Since millions of people trade in the market and it is practically impossible for these exchanges to deal with all the individuals, they have assigned brokers who act between the exchanges and the individuals. What determines stock price? Once the initial public offering is completed, the stock price can move independently of the actual company's success. So, what makes stock prices go up or down? The simple answer is supply and demand. Price changes reflect supply and demand.